Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Nongbah ke Jila Conrad Samla ula Khot ki nong trai ke Shillong Municipal Board ki badai ki Samla ki baju Pynkhuid ya so Shillong ban ya Dihsha step lang bat hayeng sa jong ya kani ke jing Dihsha step Conrad ula Khot gum shibenta ban sungungu ikini ki Samla ki baju Pynkhuid ki linti ki sengkian habo ke Nongbah Menteri Nongbah ula penpau ke jing sungungu ikini ki Samla ki batrishtam bat ula kenturu ki Samla bakindai ban nyoben ya ka kam baki trai hendai baki nang trai stom hakakam baki trai Menteri Nongbah ule thuru iki Samla baki babuan ki brio ki age jingero yaki namar ka jing trai stom jongki dak baong yaki bawat mut baki brio kim itho ige jing trai stom jongki hendai ki brio ki kmen bat ki sngo sarong ban yu ige jing trai stom jongki ka jing trai stom jongpi kawan ra jingkala ka bakraw baka Nongbah ka nong ka Pynkhuid bat kumno ki bawan jingo kai ki sngo kmen habaki wan ha ka Nongbah bat kumjuru ki nong shong shnong jong ka jala bro ka wei laong Conrad Walaupun pauru baga jing Khot jong mentaka sngi ka long ban penpau ka jing sngungu yaki bat namar baga deka ayom Christmas kumta ka deka por jong ka jing lekmen ka jing iet ka jing samlang ya ka jing snngobha bat barok lang bat kumjuru ban nek burom ya ka kam ka baki latrei ulong bagi don ki por bangi ki brio ngi im ban kentat ya ki babon ki brio bat shushim ka bu ya ki brio hendai ka ni ka por Christmas ka deka por bangim shim ka bu ya ki brio hendai ban ya samlang ya ka jing kmen bat jing snngobha Menteri Nongbah ula shimbentaru ban Dihsha lang bat kini ki Samla bat yoru ban ekran bat ki.
I'll get one chair. But the daytime you have only evening. Or the shift. Sometimes. Is this the first time you're CM bungalow? Yes, sir. I'm happy that all of you are here today and we're getting some time to just have a cup of tea. Please sit down. Please be comfortable. You want to just bring them here?
It should look natural. Any side figure.
And now you can go along here. Thank you. Noticing or watching, but I want to tell you personally that so many people have told me about how happy they are to see all of you work so hard and keep our city clean. So don't think that people are not noticing. People are noticing, people are very happy, and people are very proud to see all of you do this. And I, on behalf of the state and people of Shillong city especially, would like to really take this opportunity to thank all of you. So don't think you're doing a simple thing. What you are doing is making a huge impact on how our city is clean, how our tourists feel about the city, and the citizens of the city also and the state, how they feel about their capital. Today, my whole purpose of calling you to the Chief Minister's bungalow is only to express our gratitude to you. This is Christmas season, and obviously Christmas is a time of joy, of love, of sharing happiness with everyone. And sometimes in life, we tend to ignore a lot of people and take people for granted. But maybe this is the time when we don't take people for granted. So Christmas time is the time when we share our joy and happiness. And so the reason I've called all of you is to share the joy and happiness of Christmas with all of you. We're to share a cup of tea, a small maybe cake we'll have together. We'll celebrate Christmas together. We'll celebrate the work that you're doing which, as I said, is not a small thing. You're doing a lot of big things. Trust me, the impact that you're doing is really making our city much better. So once again, thank you so much.